Let's look at the structure of a hybrid car. A typical hybrid car contains the following parts: gas engine, generator, batteries, electric motor, transmission, and inverter. The hybrid drivetrains are classified into three types: series hybrids, parallel hybrids, and power split or series parallel hybrids. Let's begin with the series design. In a series hybrid, the gas engine turns the generator, charging the batteries. The battery then powers the motor that drives the car. Thus, the vehicle is driven solely by the motor, and the engine serves only as a generator. Because the engine is only required to generate enough output to power the motor, a smaller engine can accommodate a relatively large car. Unlike the larger engines of the past, the hybrid system is perpetually optimized to yield the highest efficiency regardless of driving conditions. The world's first hybrid by Dr. Porsche was a series hybrid, as are the Japanese hybrid microbuses introduced in 1997. The parallel hybrid vehicles are primarily driven by the engine, but when greater torque is needed at the start or for acceleration, the motor kicks in to boost the power. The system relies on the engine as the main source of power, with the motor providing supplemental assistance to the engine to improve efficiency. In a parallel hybrid, both the engine and the motor turn the transmission. Like traditional vehicles, CVT automatic and manual transmissions are used. The regenerative brakes produce the energy to charge the batteries, and that power is used to drive the motor. This energy recycling helps make the parallel hybrid an efficient system. In a hybrid car, both regenerative and friction braking work together to produce energy while the moving vehicle is safely brought to a stop. The parallel system was used in the first hybrid motor coach introduced in 1991, followed by trucks in 1993, and passenger cars in 1999. The series parallel system merges the series and the parallel drivetrains into one design. While the car is driven by both the engine and the motor, it is also equipped with a generator. This allows the batteries to store the power produced by the engine. The vehicle runs solely off of the motor at start and at low speeds. During normal driving, the engine and the motor both supply power at optimal ratios. A series parallel hybrid can also generate electricity from the engine while running on the electric motor alone. Like the parallel hybrid, its regenerative brakes can produce energy as well. The series parallel system manages fuel efficiency by running on the motor whenever possible to minimize engine use. The series parallel hybrid is equipped with a power split device that also functions as a transmission. To drive the wheels efficiently, the power splitter performs three jobs: driving the engine, driving the electric motor, and managing electricity generated by the engine. The first series parallel hybrid was introduced in 1997 in a passenger car. All three types of hybrid structures provide superior fuel efficiency compared to the traditional engine-only design. There is much demand and anticipation for further advancement of hybrid technology. In addition to the three major categories is a type called mild hybrids. Mild hybrids use a simple and effective mechanism. It is an idle-stop system powered by a small electric motor that can start and stop the engine smoothly. Hybrids are believed to become more and more prevalent as new and improved hybrid systems are developed to deliver even better fuel efficiency at lower cost.